Welcome, boys and girls, children of all ages. Welcome to Mud Dog Customs. Yeah, we got a 1987 Chevrolet Scottsdale. Everybody thinks they got a Scottsdale, but that was the mid version. It ain't the Silverado. K20. K is in 4-wheel drive, 8 lug. How about that camper special? Yeah. Yeah, so we're gonna take this one. I got a short bed frame, short bed box. I'm gonna convert it down, put a LS in it, paint it, leave it black, put gray in the middle, or charcoal gray. Be my first two-tone I've done in a long time. But man, they are selling like crazy. What is that? Guess I gotta do body work on everything. Yeah. Y'all drop down in the comments what y'all think about this one. Definitely ain't leaving a long bed. Right here in Andrews, South Carolina, we just don't do long beds. Ain't gonna happen. Yeah. Put me a nice slick paint job on it. Replace the dented panels. Yes, I'll get it redone. Anybody need a long bed box, let me know. It ain't too bad. Be some of the people up north, maybe. Sell it for a good price and a long bed frame. $350 fuel injected motor. Hello. Man said he put it in during 9/11. Crate engine. Yep. You don't see that right there on many of them. Oh yeah. Yes, she gonna be fuel injection. It'll be LS fuel injection. 6.0 maybe. Y'all let me know what you think about it. Tell me what I need to do with it. You want it better than more than I do, come and get it. Hello. Right price, anything can go. Anything but the family. Hello. Y'all have a good one. Remember, like, subscribe, comment, talk trash. All that stuff generates more activity. Y'all have a good one.